Welcome back, everyone. Ready to dive into something truly incredible. Today, we're looking into the world of,
Metabolic engineering.
exactly. But we're not just scratching the surface.
No.
We're going deep
Mm.
on how AI is transforming this field.
Buckle up.
It's mind-blowing stuff.
It really is. Think about it. We're talking about designing and optimizing actual biological systems.
Like little factories.
Exactly, like tiny factories, except they're using yeast or bacteria to churn out valuable products.
And we're talking everything. Medicines,
Oh, yeah.
biofuels,
Absolutely.
even the ingredients for some of the food we eat.
It's all thanks to metabolic engineering.
And to get to the heart of this revolution, we're diving into TeselaGen's platform.
Now that's a game changer.
AI-driven metabolic engineering.
It's incredible what they're doing.
From what I hear, they're able to design custom pathways and optimize genetic elements.
It sounds like science fiction.
It really does. So let's break it down.
Okay.
This whole pathway assembly thing.
Yeah.
It sounds a bit like a recipe to me.
You're actually spot on. Just like you need specific ingredients in a certain order to bake a cake, pathway assembly is about arranging genes in the right sequence.
Within a biological system.
Right, to make a specific product.
So instead of flour and sugar,
We're dealing with genes.
genes as ingredients.
Exactly. And just like with recipes, there are different methods for putting these pathways together.
I saw on the platform they mentioned Golden Gate and Gibson assembly.
Oh, yeah, those are some of the popular ones.
What exactly are they?
Well, think of it like building with Legos. Each method has its own way of connecting those genetic Legos.
So Golden Gate.
It uses special enzymes, like tiny scissors and glue.
To cut and paste DNA fragments.
Precisely. And they do it with incredible precision.
Wow.
Then you have Gibson assembly, which uses overlapping sequences.
Overlapping.
Yeah, like puzzle pieces that fit together.
And that stitches the DNA pieces together.
Exactly. And TeselaGen's platform is really cool because it supports all these different methods.
So you have all these options to build your pathway?
It's like having a whole toolkit at your fingertips.
Amazing. But to be honest,
Yeah.
it's hard to wrap my head around just how complex designing these pathways actually is.
Oh, it's incredibly complex. It's like solving a giant biological puzzle.
With millions of pieces.
And that's where AI really shines.
Okay, so how does AI help?
Well, traditionally, scientists had to rely on trial and error.
Which I imagine took
Forever. It was time-consuming, and you never knew what you were going to get.
a lot of guesswork.
Yeah, lots of guesswork.
Yeah.
But AI changes the game.
How so?
AI can analyze massive amounts of data on gene interactions, metabolic processes, you name it,
So it's sifting through all that information.
and finding the optimal pathway design.
So in a way, AI is like a master chef,
I like that analogy.
analyzing millions of recipes
Finding the perfect combination of ingredients.
for the desired dish.
Exactly. And the best part is, the AI doesn't just design the pathway, it can also optimize it,
Okay.
like fine-tuning the recipe.
So we've got our recipe,
And now we're making it even better.
tweaking it for the best results.
Precisely.
What kinds of optimizations are we talking about here?
Well, imagine you're baking that cake, right? You might want it to rise higher, be more moist, or have a richer flavor.
Okay, I'm following you.
AI can do similar things with these biological pathways. It can optimize for things like speed, efficiency.
And yield.
Exactly. So it might help the pathway produce more of the desired product.
Or make the process faster.
Or maybe even reduce waste.
So less waste, more product.
So efficient processes.
It's like a win-win-win.
Exactly.
Are there any real-world examples of how AI optimization has actually made an impact?
Oh, tons. Researchers have used this platform to engineer yeast that produces biofuel with 20% higher efficiency.
20%?
Yeah, pretty amazing.
Wow.
It's paving the way for a more sustainable future.
That's incredible. What else?
Another case is where AI helped to optimize the production of a key ingredient in anti-malarial drugs.
Oh, wow.
So now this life-saving treatment is more accessible,
That's amazing.
making a real difference.
You know what's really fascinating to me?
What's that?
The potential for personalized medicine.
Oh, yeah. Now that's where it gets really exciting.
How far away are we from seeing this become a reality?
Honestly, we're closer than you might think.
Really?
AI could analyze someone's genetic makeup
And then,
and then design a treatment tailored just for them,
so imagine a future where therapies are optimized for each patient
maximizing their effectiveness.
and minimizing side effects.
Imagine the possibility.
It's mind-blowing.
So,
This technology truly has the power to revolutionize so many aspects of our lives.
it really does.
It makes you think,
about
if you could design a biological system to solve any problem,
any problem at all.
what would you choose? It's
Huh.
something to ponder as we continue to explore this incredible field.
Absolutely something to think about. The possibilities are endless.
That's right. Until next time, everyone.
Keep exploring.